Global coronavirus cases have risen by more than 237,000, marking the highest daily spike in cases yet. According to the World Health Organization, the biggest increases were from the United States, Brazil, India and South Africa. 1 million coronavirus cases have been recorded in under 100 hours. It's taken only 4 days for cases to jump from 13 to 14 million. The virus has now claimed more than 590,000 lives in almost 7 months. In India, coronavirus cases have surged to more than 1 million, the third highest infection rate in the world, behind the United States and Brazil. India lifted lockdown for its 1.3 billion residents last month.
Over 1 million cases and counting, a daily spike with no signs of it peaking, let alone a plateau. With almost 35,000 new cases in the last 24 hours, India is the third worst affected country in the world. Out of the 10 people tested at the time we were at the camp, 3 are positive. A warning that the contagion is accelerating. At the COVID-dedicated ambulance control room, Sanjay and his colleague Jayavendra answer over 150 calls a day. They coordinate and track 38 ambulances in a district that caters to 4.5 million inhabitants of Ghaziabad, a town adjoining the country's capital. In the beginning, I was afraid, but not anymore. I believe I am doing good work and so I will not get the disease. For months, I have had no symptoms. As we speak, a call has come in to transfer a 5-year-old girl to a hospital as she's tested positive. Stigma attached to this disease has forced the mother and daughter to wait away from the neighborhood. They will now spend the next 2 weeks in quarantine. Close to 100 doctors have died so far, and Dr. Abhishek Bhayana was the youngest at just 26. A shattered family told me that he complained of COVID symptoms but had no prior medical conditions. He was rushed to a hospital but died within a week.
Parents will be scared to let their children become doctors and send them on the front line from now on. Their lives are far more precious to us.
The Bhayana family still grieve the loss of their youngest member. And India has lost another doctor to combat the growing pandemic. Neville Lazarus, Sky News, Delhi.